Please join me in welcoming our Manila City Mayor Isko Moreno to deliver his speech.
Maraming salamat sa tagapagpakilala. I'm not here to deliver a speech. I would like to take this opportunity because I think this is the first time that you're going to hear it from your city government. For so many years now, Chuchi Foundation has been helping Manila and its people. During hard times, challenging times, Chuchi Foundation is always there to help our citizens in the city. That's why, on behalf of the people of Manila, thank you very much sa lahat ng tumutulong sa Chuchi Foundation. Before I continue, I'd like to make recognition of some personalities and very important people for us to have this historic event in the city of Venerable Masters, Dharma Masters from the Jingxi Abode. I hope I'm pronouncing it. Marami kasing banyaga dito, duduguin ng ilong ko. I can only speak English for 5 minutes. After that, finish or not finish, pass your paper. I'll do my best. Vice President Lin Biyu of Buddhist Chuchi Foundation. Buddhist Chuchi Medical Foundation CEO Dr. Lin Chin Long. Chuchi leaders, donors, members, Congressman Arthur Yap, business group, especially headed by a long-term partner with regard to our Filipino-Chinese community and businessmen in downtown. We're happy and proud to host the Federation in the city of Manila, headed by Victor Lim. And Manila, especially during the time of our forefathers, our grandparents, they call it Manila is the window of opportunity. I would like to inform each and every one of you, one of the biggest conglomerates started in Manila. And that's what we call SM. I'd like to greet our good friend and thanks him and his siblings, family, his father, for a great trust starting in Manila. Multi-billion peso, almost $1 trillion business, but started in, I would like to gusto kong bigyan ng diin nyo because it's our sense of pride being Manileño. Mr. Hansi, SM Prime Holdings. Cecilio Pedro, binata pa ako, marami pa akong buhok, kilala ko na to. I've met him when I was 18 years old. Can you imagine? Now I'm 21, so it's been 3 years, taray. Cecilio is a very good friend of my mentor, Kuya Germs. So when I was in showbiz, whether you believe it or not, he used to be an actor, started in this television show headed by a good friend of Cecilio. Ito pang isang matagumpay, si Ambassador Alfredo Yao. Sir, Architect Jun Palafox. Ayun, siya lang nakabarang dito. Ayun. Ayun. Ambassador Francis Chua, who is part of our our school. Henry Yunes. Kanina, yung aking nakapagpag. Henry, CEO, Chuchi Foundation and Deputy CEO. And all special guests. Pag ito yung binasa ko, baka mag-abono pa ako, abutin tayo ng alas 12, ako pa magpakunan sa pananalian. But, let me share you what I really feel. More than anything. Today, I am grateful. I am grateful. I don't know if I heard it correct. That it's a long dream of Chuchi Foundation to build a hospital. Am I right? Yes. And I'm happy. You're doing it in the capital of the country, Philippines, here in Manila. So we're happy and honored, excited for you to fulfill your dreams and us benefiting from your aspirations and dreams. Doing it here. You know, I have a beautiful and masipag Vice Mayor, ayan. Vice Mayor Chi Atienza. I have to make special mention of the Vice Mayor because when Architect Jun Palafox a while ago said, Mr. Mayor, we need a lot of permit to submit. Yeah, I know. You have to pass this to what you call compliance and all other things. And I said, pre-approved, narinig ni Vice Mayor. June knows it very well what I'm talking about. But to the leaders of Chuchi, to donors and future partners, our doctors, nurses, rest assured, at the very least that I can say today, ahead of everything, you are pre-approved. As showing of our gratitude, because you've been helping a lot of people. I is one of many witnesses. And I do believe this institution that you're going to build, a medical facility, will benefit Bacoor, Santa Mesa, Paco, Pandacan, at the very least, that community with so much dense. Kaya siguro uulit-ulitin kong pagtawagin namin sa Tagalog, walang hanggang pasasalamat sa mga tutulungan ninyo sa lungsod ng Maynila. Congratulations and thank you very much to it.
愿在携手合作中，在医疗、照护、公共健康与人道关怀上共同努力，守护更多需要帮助的生命。
Thank you very much, Mayor Isko Moreno.
今天非常的感恩